crossing the street here after getting my car fixed, or my car in the shop. Oh damn. And apparently it's like a sensor that's flickering my ABS system to come on, and it's like some kind of messed up sensor. So we'll see what that does. I don't know, but I'll walk into CVS now, and yeah, man, I gotta edit. I gotta have a better schedule for editing because I fall asleep. There's 2 fountains, just in case you don't want to cross the street. There's one right over here. Okay, I've been walking for about an hour now. Oh, because my car's still in the shop. Still no end in sight. Oh man, what the heck? It sucks. Man, I should use Google Maps before I started walking. I would have had a better route, faster route, instead of taking me like 33 minutes. Oh my god, this is insane. Like over an hour of walking. I was walking in the wrong direction. I could have just taken this path that goes right in the middle. Oh my god. Almost life, man, I'm telling you. Finally made it back. Finally. Ooh, thank God. Alright, so he just came back out, and pretty much they just try to repair the sensor, and the sensor wasn't the issue. It's like a bearing or something on the car, and so now they're gonna replace that, which is another like three hours. Because I got it back, and then the lights came on and everything, and now I gotta wait and see if that bearing fixes the issue. So wish me luck. Okay, oh, I got the man bun. So I finally got my car back. After just like a few hours ago, I just got it back. And there was like a strip joint or something. So they had to fix a strip joint. After that bearing was fixed. And pretty much just took them a while to get the part in and everything. But yeah, it's finally back. Finally fixed up. And no sensors or anything on. And now I'm at Best Buy. I'm gonna get a drone. No, I'm just kidding. I can't afford that. But nice to dream.
here in bed, so to speak, my one eye. Yeah, got my car fixed, which is awesome. Shout out to the Brakes Plus in Phoenix. They're freaking awesome. They found the issue and they like took all the blame for it and apologized, and just did all the work and got all the parts and everything to fix it. So thank you to them. Shout out to them. They're amazing. I'm gonna go back and get in alignment with them, so hopefully I can like pay it forward. But yeah, it's colder tonight, so that's good. Yeah, I mean, I didn't come here to escape the cold. I mean, I was fine, because I'd rather be colder than hot. But just another step to the journey, the destination. So peace out, guys. Have a good